Hello Shockers! Welcome to the show. By watching this video, you've gotten a golden ticket for a chance to make the illusion of a financially free future into a reality. Here at Wichita State University, the average undergrad cost of attendance could cost about $30,000 a year. Now, before you vanish due to financial difficulties, we know you're no Houdini. College students can't pull that kind of money out of thin air. Normally, magicians never reveal their secrets. But here at WSU's Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships, we value transparency to help you unlock every dollar you can. Please join us from November 1st to early spring on the main stage to participate in Scholarship Universe's free magical matching system, making your balance disappear. There's no need to tire yourself out pulling on the ribbons of scholarships that seem to never end. Scholarship Universe is here to do the work for you, automatically matching shockers to over 10,000 potential verified scholarships specifically tailored to your unique circumstances. Within this video, you will find helpful tips and tricks on navigating the network to find your mystic match, properly applying for and winning an award. To help guide you, follow me to wichita.edu/scholarshipuniverse, which is easily accessible through WSU's financial aid website linked below. First, log in using your MyWSU ID and password. If this is your first time logging in, be sure to review the privacy policy and update your contact details on the platform. Now, don't get disillusioned when you see all the questions. The magic can't happen without your participation. The system automatically brings in key information from our campus system, such as your major or high school information. This information cannot be edited and may make you ineligible for scholarships intended for certain shockers. Let's take a peek behind the curtain at the Questions tab. Build your profile by answering as many questions as you can. This increases your number of matches and financial eligibility located at the top right-hand corner. We know your time is valuable, so the most pressing questions are prioritized at the top. I promise there are no trapdoors, just drop-down menus. Shockers don't need to fill out all the questions at one time. You can answer questions in small batches of 10s to 20, saving yourself time while maximizing your matches. Located on the left-hand side navigation tool labeled Scholarships, under the first tab Matches. Let's see what it has up its sleeve. Thanks to your active audience participation, the magical matching system will now get to work creating a list of matches tailored to you. Each scholarship on this list will provide a brief bit of information like the host department, status, and application deadlines. Once you find a scholarship that puts a spell on you, further information can be found by clicking on the View button located at the bottom right-hand corner of the scholarship. This will showcase key information like a small explanation bio, deadlines, renewal types, availability status, matching, and application requirements. While your matches showcase perfect fit scholarship, there is still magic out there. By clicking on the tab labeled Partial Matches, located just to the right of your pin tab, you can see all the scholarships that you somewhat qualify for, but aren't completely eligible for. It may feel like your chances have been sawed in half, but the matching requirements show the exact questions and answers the scholarship is looking for. By fulfilling any missing questions, presto changeo. You can put the pieces back together and see if you qualify. Some questions may state internal requirement managed by institution, keeping the question hidden. This is no parlor trick. Our campus system just already has the information it needs and cannot be changed. Now go ahead and pick a scholarship, any scholarship you'd like, and apply. Ta-da! By filling out the application labeled New and Continuing Students, you can now mass apply to the majority of potential scholarships within the system. Now, this form isn't a magic wand. Some scholarships require different applications. Make sure to thoroughly check the description to find where and how to apply for each scholarship. Along with your application, you are required to write a personal essay to share your story with the review committee. This is your chance to share what makes you so magical that an application could never do. There is no trick to this, merely a click. Underneath the Awards tab, you will see My Docs. No open sesame needed, just store your essays, resumes, achievements, and anything else you'd like to easily transport into your applications. If you've been watching your email carefully and applying the tips and tricks in this video, then abracadabra, you may be awarded with scholarship money. This can be found with the tab directly under Applications labeled Awards, prompting you to accept or decline the award's offer. Thank you so much, Shockers, for actively participating in Scholarship Universe's magical matching system. Now, for my final trick. You don't need to believe in magic to make your financially free future into a reality. only yourself. Don't feel discouraged. There is a scholarship out there for you, but only if you share your magic with the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships to unlock every dollar.